birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday.
Buddy makes your Post-it board come alive. He can assist with messaging and relay the right message to the right family member.
Buddy, remind Mom not to come back home before 8 o'clock.
Buddy is a hands-free helper, always there when you need him. He can suggest recipes.
Okay, buddy, take the call. Okay, I'm leaving now. See you in half an hour. Darn, did I turn off my oven?
He brings you peace of mind. Shot. He captures special moments and can send them directly by email or by social networks. He detects when you smile for a picture or video, sees and tracks through his camera to recognize your face.
Call Grandma to show her Mom's birthday cake.
Thanks, buddy. Follow me.
For so long, technology has been held back by one important thing: emotion. That's why we created Ollie, the first robot assistant with an evolving personality.
And a deep breath outwards. Let the stress fall away. Megan, I would suggest raising the temperature by 10 degrees. Hot yoga can increase weight loss and build muscle tone.
Let's do that.
Not a problem at all.
Ollie is proactive, meaning it anticipates your needs.
Just a thought, Megan. Shall I set the mood with some jazz while you read?
Yeah.
Music through Ollie sounds amazing too, because it knows where you are in the room. It can best direct the audio to your liking. No matter the track, and no matter the mood. Our AI system and character engine creates a...
We did that in 2017. We've come a long way and iterated quite a bit through our journey. Now we are ready to manufacture at a large scale, and we need your help to take Ollie to the next stage of production.
Okay, now go.
I'm off.
Hey, Ryan. Long day.
Long week.
I think a bit of air guitar therapy might do the trick.